Yeah, it's 2009 Nissan Altima Fender driver's side. I'm going to show you where the bolts they're located clockwise. I'm going clockwise. So you open the hood close to the light, you'll find the first bolt 10 millimeters. You go up another 10 millimeter. You go right here up, you're gonna find this plastic right here. So you pry this thing. Remember the way that you took that off. You're gonna find another bolt right there, and everything is 10 millimeters. When you open the door, find another bolt right here. You go down with the screwdriver, you take this screw off, you take this panel out, and down there 1 and 2 10 millimeters. You go to the front bumper. Alright, this bumper is already messed up, so it's easy to show you where these bolts are gonna be. So I'm missing one bolt right here, so it's one bolt and another one right here. So in total it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Shit, I got confused. Alright, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bolts, I'm sorry, 7 bolts, 1 screw, and that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. So you remove all that stuff and you get the fender out. I'm already had the fender right over here. I'm going to show you from behind how everything looks. So this is the one that is go when you open the door. This is the one that is covered by the window with the plastic stuff. This is the one on the top. 1, 2. This is the one close to the light, and this is the one that it goes right underneath of the plastic thing, and right below to the door right here. Talking about this plastic thing right here. Okay, so 7 bolts. Alright guys, very simple, easy. You can do it really fast, you know what I'm saying? So let's do it.